Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I will show you how to use this QSpinBox control in our Qt widget application. Today in this video I will show you how to customize or change the style sheet or make an attractive spinbox in our Qt widget application. So let's start. So you can see this is the normal spinbox control where we can set the prefix and suffix and here our value. Now let's change the style sheet and make it attractive. So write your spinbox class here. So let's apply this some basic properties of border property and background color property. So let's apply simply background color. So let's apply the gray type color, okay, gray shade color. So here I set the font color as a white, and now let's set a border 4 pixel solid, set some orange type color, okay, and let's set the border radius. Simply apply. So you can see this is our basic spinbox control where we can apply just simply dark gray color and border color, okay. So simple, this is a simple style sheet. Now let's apply the or change just up and down arrow, okay. So main importance is the up and down arrow, okay. So there is a property up arrow, up button, okay, and down button, okay. So here I already add 2 images, okay. So you can see in my folder I download 2 minus image, plus and minus image. Okay, so we will use the plus image for the increment value and minus for the decrement value, okay. So here I add in our resource file also. I already make a video about how to add the file in a resource, okay. So let's start again, back to the video. So here sub control direction or position. First property is a sub control position. So here you can change the position of your control, okay. So here I set the right and left for the our down button, okay. So you can see the both button are arranged at left and right, okay. So here you can change the width and height also. So let's set the width. So set the width as a 50 pixels and height set also 50 pixels, okay. So you can see this is our how 2 buttons look like, okay. Now here we download 2 images, so we can also apply the image, but before apply the image let's set this margin, okay. So here let's set this margin as a 5 pixel because you can see the button is totally touch with your border, okay. So let's set the margin. So you can see margin right and here set the margin left, okay. So little bit push in the inside, okay. So one more property is the sub control origin, okay. So here we will set the border, okay. Now let's run this application and check, wait for the build. Also let me put our normal spinbox control, default spinbox. So you can see this is our how spinbox look like currently, and let me push the or add the our normal spinbox control, and then we will compare the style sheet between 2 controls, okay, without QSS and with QSS. So you can see the with QSS and without QSS the spinbox control how look like different. So you can see this is the value how we can change, and here the QSpinBox with styles. Now let's add the image, okay. So as I told you, I already add the value or images in my resource. So you can simply add your image in your resource file. I already made that video for it. Okay, so you can see how our now SpinBox control look like with our plus and minus image. Okay, so you can also adjust or change the width and height according it. So currently let's change the height and width because the buttons quite look like too much big. Okay, so this is how now our look like SpinBox control. So you can see this is the Stylesheet apply SpinBox control and this is the normal SpinBox control. Let's run this application and see. Wait for the build. So you can see the default SpinBox control and this is the Stylesheet apply SpinBox control. So you can also apply the or change the Stylesheet whenever button is hover. So here we just simply write the hover, or here let's change the background color. Okay, so here you can also set the background image for that. So here we just apply the or change the background color and make little bit light. Okay, so let's set it as 100 for up air button and down button. Apply. So you can see this is how when I hover on that button. Let's run this application for the better visualization. So you can see when what look like when I hover on that button. So this is our QSpinBox control with Stylesheet. Here you can also apply the hover image if you want to make a fully attractive, or if you want to make some colorful. So you can simply apply your hover background image. Currently we don't have any image for that, so you can apply the shaded image for that also. So let me just remove this hover effect. Okay, or also you can here change the height or margin by use of the margin right, margin left function to a little bit shift inside the SpinBox control. So let's increase the margin left and margin right value. So you can see the button are shifted inside your SpinBox control. Also you can change the background color. Well, let me write one more little bit light color. So you can see this is our how SpinBox control look like. Okay, you can apply the border radius, color, background color. Okay, so please drop your comment if you have any questions regarding QSpinBox control Stylesheet, and please share this video with your friend and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell again to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.